Yeah, welcome back to Olafem Mathematics class. So here is a question for you guys. In a diagram, P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle center K. KR. Line KR is a bisector of angle SRQ. Then angle KSP is equal to 41 degrees and angle SKR is equal to 80 degrees. Find A angle RQP, D angle SPQ. This is just the recent WIC. One of the questions I picked uh, from the WIC, I mean, being done this year. So I'm still on the circle geometry, I mean, circle theorem. So let's go. Um, what are we asked to do? We are asked to find, excuse me, angle RQP. Let's see, RQP. Okay, this angle, right? So this is a circle, and inside it we have what? We have uh quadrilateral, but this is what we call a cyclic quadrilateral. Where a quadrilateral is being inscribed inside the triangle. So now, how do we go about it now? So this is we know one of the rules in cyclic quadrilateral is that here, when you have a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, it is known that A plus B is equal to 180, B plus C plus D is equal to 180. That is the two opposite angles. The sum of the two opposite angles are sum to be supplementary. That is why what we are going to use to get our Q here. So look at this S now. If you look at this S, you see that the S covers the whole angle here. Okay, the whole angle here. But we don't know this angle. How do we find this angle? We already know the part of it, which is 41 degrees, but we don't know this angle. So now here comes, now this is the center, that is the point. From here to here is what we call radius. That is the distance between the center and then the circumference of the circle. So when you have it, we have it from here to here is radius, from here to here is the another radius. So that makes it radii. So that means that this side is equal to this side. And complementary with the chord here, it forms a triangle. But what kind of triangle here is what we call a isosceles triangle? Two sides and two base angles are equal. Now let's apply it. So we have one of the angles to be 80. So, but we don't know this. Let's say this is x, this is what? This is x. So let's sum the three angles together and let's see how it will go. X plus 80 is equal to 180. 2x plus 1 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degrees. So we have 100. So divide both side by 2. So we have x, that is 50 degrees. So that means that each angle is 50 degrees, right? So now, so this is 50 degrees. So right, you can write 50 degrees. So we can now find the total angle that we have here. All right. So by the time we find it now, that will give us what? It's going to give us angle x. It's going to be 50 plus 41, which is 91. Now let's come to this angle. We already know that the addition of this angle plus this angle will give us 180. Why? Cyclic, some of the as the opposite cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so uh, that is Q is equal to 180 minus 91. Okay, so when you subtract it from it, that will give us 9, and that will give us 8. All right. So that would be 89 degrees. Okay. Yeah, 89 degrees. So Q is going to be 89 degrees. Now, what about angle XPQ? XPQ. So this angle. So that means that we are going to apply the same what we apply here, because we are going to look for the other opposite angles facing each other, like this. Okay. So if you look at it, you are going to find this. You are going to know about this angle, but this is 50, right? This is 50, but we don't know this angle. Now, but remember, we are told that line KR, this line KR, is a bisector of angle SRQ. SRQ. What I mean by bisector, it means that the line that bisects the angle equally. So that means that this angle, this line bisects this angle equally. That means that if this one is 50, the other one is 50. So the total angle now will be 100. Okay, so we have angle R to be what? 50 plus 50 degree, which is 100 degrees. So now for you to know P now, subtract it from 180. Okay, that is that will give us 80 degrees. So that is just the uh, solution for this question. If you have any question or any comments, you're free to comment and share. Don't forget to share and like this channel.